They said it was too far gone. A 1994 legend buried under 15 years of dust and silence. Let's see what's left. The badge is faded, but the soul is still there. First, we strip away the neglect. Every layer of foam and every pass of the brush brings us closer to the truth. Inside, it's a time capsule of rot and memories. Clean slate starts now. Beneath the surface, the real story begins. Rust is the enemy, and it's already started its work. The fluids tell the tale of a heart that stopped beating a long time ago. Black oil, rusty coolant. This isn't just a repair, it's a rescue. To save the car, we have to remove its heart. Every bolt is a fight. Every wire is brittle with age. We strip it down to the skeleton. The intercooler, the radiator, the exhaust, all of it has to go. The iconic 2JZ coming into the light for the first time in decades. On the stand, the damage is clear. A cracked belt and a blown gasket. One more mile on the road and this block would have been scrap metal, sludge, carbon and metal shavings. We're going down to the bare metal. This is where the magic happens. Degreasing, sandblasting, ultrasonic cleaning. We don't just wash these parts, we restore their purpose. The machine shop gave us a perfect surface. Now we build. New bearings, fresh assembly lube. Everything is measured in microns. Precision is the difference between a car that runs and a legend that screams. New seals, new timing components. The rhythm is back. Even the turbo gets a second lease on life. Every fin, every bearing. Perfect. The transmission and engine are one again. But the bay they're going into needs to be worthy of them. We grind out the rust and lay down a fresh coat of armor. It's not just paint, it's a fresh start. New bushings, coilovers and brakes. A car this fast needs to be able to stop and turn like it's on rails. The undercarriage is now as clean as the top. No detail is too small. The moment of truth. The engine goes home. Fluids in. Wiring tucked. Systems checked. It's time to find out if she remembers how to roar. "15 years of silence ends now." That is the sound of a 2JZ coming back to life. Now for the beauty. We sand, we spray, we polish. We bring back that iconic Supra glow. The interior is finally a place you'd want to spend a Sunday afternoon. From a forgotten relic in a dusty garage to a masterpiece on the pavement, this 1994 Supra is ready for its next 30 years. Thanks for being part of the journey.